Hi, my name is Albro, and we're going to demonstrate now to music Sweet Lightning. And there are a number of songs you can do it to. On the paperwork we have Sweet Delights, which we're going to demonstrate it right now for, and also Lightning. How's it around? Nice speaking in advance, forward to back, right to left, hip bumps, 2 kickball changes, 4 turns, 1 more kickball change, start again, 5, 6, walk it down. Back it up. Bind right to the touch. And left. Hips now doubles. Singles are rolling. 2 kicks. Hip it forward. 1 more kick. Walk to the end. Back it up. Bind right. And left. Hips to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 right kick, 4 changes. Hip it forward. 1 more kick and walk to the end. Back it up. Bind right now. Hips. Roll. 5, 6, kickball changes. Hip. 1 more kickball change. Again. Hips now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 kicks. With a countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7. Now walk it. Back it up. And bind right. And bind left. Hips. Roll 1 single hips. 2 kicks. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6. Begin. Wake you up in the morning. There you have it. Sweet Lightning to Sweet Delight.